passenger elevator at the Frontenac Apartments in Shadyside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Look at this, we have an old 1960s Westinghouse elevator with the Type B black buttons. Go down to 1, which is a California white button, which is rather interesting. This is from the 60s with the Type B black buttons. Here you're at 1. Pre-door is nice. Go up to 7. That button's a bit faded. Here, go up. Actually, the door open button and the 1 button are white, and the 1 button's California. I don't know if those are replacements or not. Here at 7, there appear to be LEDs in the floor indicator. Go back down the lobby, which is the 2nd floor. Marshall capacity plate with the commercial logo is faded. ADA phone, Viking with the GAL Jet Plus button. Jet Plus handle resistant. Carpeted walls. I don't personally like it too much, but I guess it's fine. It's not too bad though. There's your certificate. You're back at 1 or 2.